Welcome to Justeventonline News Update. I am Bukoya. To first the news headline. Doctor strike. Federal government urged CMD to invoke no work, no pay policy. Kwara State Governor, WHO improve public access to primary health care. CIYON appropriate orphanage home with food items. PDP National Convention to hold October 29 to 30. The ESS denied dispersing doctors attend the Saudi Arabian job interview. And sports, Aresenal youngster Folarin Balogun ends first England U21 call-up. Now the news in details. The federal government has written to the Chief Medical Director and Managing Director of Federal Tertiary Hospitals asking them to begin the implementation of no work, no pay policy concerning the striking members of the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors. The government directive was contained in a letter dated August 26, 2021, signed by the Director of Hospital Services, Federal Ministry of Health, Dr. Adebiyi. The directive was in line with Section 43 of 1 Act A of the Trade Dispute Act, which inter alia states, where any worker take part in strike, he shall not be entitled to any wages for the period of the strike. Kwara State Governor Abdulrazak on Thursday sought improved funding for primary health care and easing of legal logjam militating against its effective running in Nigeria. The governor made the call at the opening session of the one-day meeting on improving primary health care delivery. The meeting was attended by Commissioners of Health and Executive Secretary of the Primary Healthcare Development Agency from 22 states governed by the All Progressive Congress (APC). Abdulrazak said more attention should be given to primary health care because of its significance for the society. The governor, who said the administration inherited a poorly funded primary healthcare development agency and collapsed infrastructure in the state, said Kwara has in turn the page through constant payment of counterpart funds and implementation of other strategies to improve access to quality basic health care. The World Health Organization country representative Walter Mungulo said Nigeria has been making commendable efforts to deepen public access to primary health care over the past few years, adding that such effort had resulted in the primary health care under one roof policy and the basic health care provision fund. The Community Impact and Youth Orientation Network CIYON on Friday distributed food items worth thousands of naira to children reception center Gakabi Ilorin. These items include carton of noodles, fruit juice, snacks and small chops. Presenting the item, chairman of the organization, Barrister Abdurrahim Sharafaddin, said the donation was one of the objectives of the organization in providing for the less privileged and the needy in the society. According to him, the children in the home needed love, care and support from our Nigerian corporate organization and government. In her response, the officer in charge of the home, Ms. Abdusalam, commended CIYON for the food items, saying that the association had never failed in rendering humanitarian assistance to the home. She therefore made a call on stakeholders, where many members of the society, to come to their aid in providing to the less privileged children. The National Caucus of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) on Friday agreed to submit a tentative date of October 30 to 31st of 2021 for the party's National Convention. Chairman of the PDP Governor Forum, Aminu Tambo, announced this after the National Caucus meeting of the party in Abuja on Friday. The resolution of the caucus meeting had also empaneled 8 distinguished leaders of the PDP under the leadership of the ex-president of the Senate, Senator David Mark, to interface with leaders who are involved in court issues so that all court matters can be withdrawn and returned normalcy to the party. The Department of the State Services (DSS) has denied dispersing doctors attending a Saudi Arabia organized job interview at the Sheraton Hotel in Abuja on Thursday. Spokesman for the service, Dr. Peter Afunaya made a denial in a statement issued in Abuja on Friday. Afunaya said the denial became necessary following incorrect information published circulated in some section of the media that operative of the DSS dispatched Dr. attending the interview. He noted that no further evidence was also adduced to prove that the DSS carried out such operation at the hotel, stating that the news is designed to embarrass the organization. Last on the news is sport. Arsenal striker Folarin Balogun has been handed a first call-up to the England U21 squad as new manager Lee Casley named his midi-young Lion selection. The England youngster faced Romania in a friendly next month before hosting Kosovo at Stadium MK as they begin their qualifying run for the 2023 European Championship. Balogun is joined in the squad by Arsenal teammate Emily Smith-Rowe, while Terry's John Jules on loan at Blackpool from the Gunners also earned a first call-up. We have come to the end of the news update on Justeventonline TV. Here is a recap of the story. Doctors strike, federal government urge CMD to invoke no work, no pay policy. Kwara State Governor, WHO improve public access to primary health care. CIYON appropriate orphanage home with food items. PDP National Convention to October 29 to 30. DSS denied dispersing doctor attending Saudi Arabian job interview. And on sport, Arsenal youngster Folarin Balogun earned first England U21 call-up. Thank you for watching Justeventonline News Update. Peace cannot be achieved through violence. It can only be attained through understanding. Visit www.justeventonline.com for more details of the news and follow us with a tap at Justeventonline on our social media handles for more updates. I am Rukoya Shitu, wishing you a blissful weekend.